Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. First of all, happy Dashera for all of you. Students, in previous class we have completed our lesson symmetry and pattern. Okay. Now, today we start a new lesson of multiples and factors. Okay. So now let's start. It is very easy chapter. And all of you are familiar with tables, table of 2, 3, 4 and so on. So let's see multiples and factors. So first topic is multiples. Students, all of you are familiar with the tables, table of 2, table of 3, table of 4 and so on. So let's see what is multiple. The first question is what is multiple? The product of two or more numbers is multiplies of the number that are multiplied. That is a multiples. Okay? It means if I am multiplying 6 into 5. 6 into 5, the answer is 6 5s are 30. Okay? So 30 is the multiple of 6 and 5 both. Okay? 30 is the multiple of 6 and 5. Now, take one more example. Take another example, that is 2 into 4 into 5. 2 4s are 8 and 8 5s are 40. So here 40 is the multiple of 2, 4 and 5. Okay. 40 is the multiple of 2, 4 and 5. Okay. Now students, I hope you have to clear that if you take more numbers and we multiplied, the product will be the multiples of the multiplier. Okay. Now take the example of table of 2. Table of 2, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, and the final answers or the final products are the multiples of 2. Same as if we take the table of 4, 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 4 4s are and so on. All the products of table of 4 are the multiples of 4. Okay. Now students, my question is there end to multiply of a number, multiples of a number? Can you find the biggest multiples of any number? Think about it. Can you find the largest multiple, or there is any end of the multiples of a number? So my answer, I think no, because here I am taking the example of 2. If you multiply by 2, the table of 2 from 2 1s are to 2 10s are 20. Now I am continuing the table of 2. 2 11s are, to 12s are, to 13s are, to 14s are, to 15s are, and so on up to 20. Then again from 221s are to 230. 231s are to 240. Okay. So here the tables are from 2 1s are to 240s are, but the numbers are never be end. Okay, the numbers are never be end. So here the table 240s are is never the largest number. So the conclusion is we are not find the largest multiple, or there is no end of the multiples of a number. Okay students. Question number 1. Find first 5 multiples of the following. ये जो मैं नीचे नंबर लिख रही हूँ, इसके आपके फर्स्ट 5 मल्टीपल्स आपको पता करने हैं. ठीक है. The first question is 17. So how can you find out the first 5 multiple of 17? कैसे find out करोगे 17 के first 5 multiples? Good, very good. 17 का टेबल लिखते हैं. 17 into 1, that is 17. 17 into 2, that is 34. 17 into 3, that is 51. 17 into 4, how much? 68 and 17 into 5, that is 85. So first 5 multiples of 17 are 17, 34, 51, 68 and 85. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one more question for you. Can you find the multiples of first 5 multiples? Okay, the same question is there. First 5 multiples of 25. How can you find out the first 5 multiples of 25? Huh? How many times you have to write down the table of 25? 5 times. Okay, 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 25 fours are 100, 90 किसने कहा? And 25 fives are 125. So what are the multiples of 25? 25, 50, 75, 100 and 125. These are the first 5 multiples of 25. I hope all of you understand what is the multiple. Product of any number are the multiples of that number. Okay, so what we write the definition of multiple? Multiple की definition क्या लिखेंगे? Now there are some properties. Write down in your copy. Properties से पहले कुछ क्वेश्चंस करो. Okay, write first 7 multiples of first 7 multiples of 6, 8, 10, 7, 9, 11 and 13. Okay, इसके सामने आपको इसके क्या लिखने हैं? Multiples. You have to write down the how many multiples? How many multiples you have to write down? 7 multiples. Okay. 7 multiples means you have to write down the table of 8, table of 10, table of 7, table of 9, table of 11 and table of 13. Okay, you have to write down the multiples of these number. How many multiples you have to write? 7. Any 7 multiples. ठीक है, अब अगर 7 बोला है तो any 7, लेकिन अगर बोलते हैं first 7 तो आप first 7 लिखते हैं. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? समझ में आया? ओके.